Yo, YouTubers! Way, it's Bruce. Way, it's a beer review. Alright, everyone. 1:05, 27. 1:05 in the morning. 27, 26 or 27. 26 still. Right. What's my thinking? What's it past that? Oh no, it's not yet. Yeah. Monday, 26, yeah. Monday, 26. I promise I won't if anyone's watching beer review, they don't want, they're into football, they might be Man United fans or Everton fans. I promise I won't mention anything about, today or what happened regarding football or anything. Promise you, alright, I'm just going to do a beer review. Won't do that tonight. So, but it was good today, wasn't it? Watching things on the telly, I actually buzzed off it. It was very heart-rending. I thought seeing Alex breaking down, I was like, oh man. Trent, I was like, oh my word. It was like heart-rending, really. Bittersweet. You can come back if you want to, and that's what I'd suggest. Just leave the door open and he can come back if he doesn't have a good time at the other club. He comes back, just do that. Change the subject. Beer review. 1:07. Just late that's on sort of whispering. Bit like CBD'd off my head a bit. I've had some blue dogs earlier on when I watched the game. Some good hazy Jane Guava, 4 of them, little ones. Nice. Love it. Nice way to watch football. Well, I promise I won't talk about that anyway. Let's try and change the subject going to the beer review, right, everyone? So I don't offend anyone who's watching who's like a football fan and they're not into Liverpool, LFC. Shh. But anyway, I've got this to review. Oh, yes. Blackbird. Is that one of the most beautiful beer can labels you've ever seen in your life? Love Lane, well done. Top marks, look at that. It's like a brown, stout colour. And the moon looks real, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh, honestly, mate, I'm trying not to swear about this. It's a flaming wonderful picture, that, guys, for the can. And I saw it in a home bargain by chance. I went in for it. Get a couple of extra cheap cans, see what they've got on offer. And they always have Love Lanes, but look at these. Blackbird Extra Stout, 6.7%. Look at the can. That's why I bought it more than anything. I thought, I'll have that label in my book, in my collection. Today, especially when I don't want to remind anyone about what happened today and nothing like. If you're a Man City fan or anything, I don't want to do your head in or nothing like. Please don't. Look at that for the can, lads and ladies. Look at that for the can. That's gorgeous, that, isn't it? It's really tripped my head out, but serious. But we don't want to think about any events that happened today. We just want to concentrate on the beer review, don't we? Sorry, everyone. I'm joking. Yeah, I'm really joking. Special release. This was cheap. It was like 130 something or 140 something in home bargain, guys. So, whoa. They could be stale, couldn't they? This is the problem with them cheapies. But I don't know how much that cost in the shop in Love Lane. Blackbird Extra Stout. 6.7. Brewed under the watchful eyes of the lyrebirds, roasted barley, flaked oats, and a selection of dark malts are combined to create a robust dark stout with notes of coffee, rich toffee, and chocolate, finished with a lingering tannic bitterness, a special release from Love Lane. Malts golden promise, crystal, oats, wheat, chocolate black, hops admiral, nose toffee, rich toffee, chocolate rich toffee, palate creamy coffee sweetness, finish tannic bitter. Ooh. Ingredients: water, malted barley, oats, wheat, hops, yeast. Love Lane Brewery, Liverpool. Some of these are cheap because they're out of date, and they could be stale. That's the risk. But I can't imagine a stout being stale. Can you? That stouts are like, they're so hoppy, they preserve for a long time. You know. But yeah, I don't want to remind anyone about anything other than beer today. In case you're a City fan or a 11 fan. I'm only joking. Yeah, a stout to celebrate. A beautiful stout before I go to bed. I've got two of these. I could go to the parade tomorrow, but I'm not doing it, guys. I'm not. I, I've never in my. I've seen some fucking celebrations, Liverpool winning things and everything and all that glory all over the years, but I've never ever once to go to one of them parades because I might piss me pants, shit me pants, get crushed, whatever. Oh no, just me, my own like mind, bad luck, brain, that's just the way I think. Like, oh, I might do. And I can't. I've never been able to go to them, and that one, this one's gonna be mind blowing to say the least. I watch it or something. I don't watch the parade on screen. I don't know. Well, there's going to be millions of people there, I'm sure of it, from all over the world or something. It's going to be phenomenal, like beyond wherever the Pope was there. Like, like just completely absurd in a way. Of like it's all about people kicking a ball around. Do you know what I mean? That's basically what it's about. They kick the ball around into the goal, like all football teams when they win the cup. Their whole town goes mad for it. But this Liverpool thing's going worldwide. People are going to come from all over the world. I don't want to be in there. I don't want to be in anywhere near these trains or, them there for that over the water. I don't want to be there. Well, I've never wanted to go there for any of that. Never. It's like, shit a bit. I've got a phobia of mad crowds, where it's not stadiums and all, it's just a street. Anyway, you don't know where you're going to end up, do you? And you get off the train, what's it? Oh, what the fuck? It's going to be insane. But what a brilliant day, eh, guys? Well done, Liverpool. And this is how I'm going to toast. Oh, well, I've got to get another red guitar now. Or red bass. I'll get a red bass guitar this time, okay, to celebrate Liverpool winning the Premier. I bought a red Hoffman Shorty to celebrate Liverpool winning the Premier League. And I put a badge on in there from Liverpool badge on the headstock. You might have seen it on video, one of the videos. And I bought that because of that. Like, I don't like red guitars. I'm prepared to buy red guitars to celebrate Liverpool, doing something red bass. That'd be nice. Alley up, alley up, alley up. Looks delicious. Looks delicious. Looks absolutely delicious, guys. Way. I still love Guinness, Guinness Original, especially Guinness Original bottles. Oh my word, I love that stuff. Drank tons of it. Oh my word. What a fantastic can. Seriously blown away, guys. Lovely. Honestly. Clap, clap, clap. Applause, applause. What the fuck is that photograph? Because that was beautiful. If anyone from Love Lane Brewery watches this review and can put a comment of who took the picture, is it artwork, is it painted? It's just the ultimate can in Liverpool in the Premier League. Look, it's black, it's like, it's dark brown actually. You look really close, it's beautiful. It's got black in it. It's tinted dark brown. Like. Or is it black? I don't know. It looks like sepia to me, the moon looks sepia as well. Wow, what a lovely work of art that is, guys. Also, I'm loving that. It's going in the book. Look at this. Whoa! There's the thing in the torch. The torch experiment must be done. Please do not be offended. Torch, right? Don't drop this can. Don't drop this can. Nothing. Nothing getting through. Black, as black can be. Guinness is red when you look through it. You see the light through it, especially sunlight. If you're in a pub in the daylight in the window and you hold it up and you let the sun, you'll see a little red dot. That looks black as the ace of spades. Look at that, gorgeous. Oh, it comes across on the camera, the beige. Beautiful. What's the word? Magnolia. It's magnolia. Perfect magnolia. Golden brown, texture like sun. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. I won't try and not to mind anyone who's like a football fan and supporting another team of events that happen to this beer is just doing a beer review, alright. Alright, impressions, beautiful. Chocolatey, coffee, very, very imperialistic indeed. It's extra, isn't it though? It's extra stout, not imperial stout. It just ticks all the boxes for all those things if you like this kind of thing. Like drinking chocolates and everything, you know what I mean? And then you go, it's from Love Lane Brewery, Black Lane, from Love Lane Brewery, Blackbird, extra stout. 6.7%. Up Elio, LFC, Premier League winners. Bloody hell. Bitter. Oh man. That reminds me of all the beers when we were kids. When we were kids, like, everything Admiral hops in that. Wow, that's interesting. I'd have to try them hops in for a homebrew because I'm getting it straight away where that's coming from, is the hops. You know, obviously the maltiness and the roast barley elements and all the usual stuff of a stout is there, like, but there's this lovely blast from the hops that went in the middle of the palate that's like ancient beer. Like when you were a kid and your dad or your uncle would say, "Oh, do you want a beer, son? Do you want a beer, lad?" And then someone gives you a beer and you drink it and you go, it's dead bitter, but it's like pop. But it's years ago, I'm talking about 60s, 70s, you know, because I was drinking since I was a wee bairn, you know. I drank in the 60s as much as I could get my hands on it, like. And it's got that familiar, man, that's a blast from the past. I don't know if you do it intentionally behind that, like, but it is a stout, but it's got an old ancient ale flavour, like whitbreads or something, you know, that kind of thing. Don't know what it is, man. Party cans, we used to call them, you know what I mean? Like a big tin, and you flip, burst it open with like a can opener kind of thing, and it's on two sides, and you feel like the air coming, like, I didn't buy it, you know, I had my folks would have them, relatives would bring them and stuff like that. Bad piss head days that my dad would have. Party cans, it's got that like familiarity. Oh man, that's weird that. Steady as she goes. Oh, winey, like a red wine. Um, Sweetness is like, the sweetness is lingering, but it's just like when you eat plain chocolate and you're begging for it to be milk chocolate, and you're hovering on your tongue and you want this so much to be milk chocolate and not be dark chocolate, but as it settles in, well, I'm beginning to like that dark chocolate, real dark chocolate, like 70% to 90% dark chocolate in a swig of beer, like with hops that just take it right back to 50s, 60s, and 70s. You know what I mean? Like that, whatever ages you're like. Because, you know, I go back to 60s, obviously, like, but the intention of ale while I was like starting to drink it, like, it's all the same in the flavour division. Do you know what I mean? It's weird. I always remember experiencing my first European beer in a stubby, you know what I mean? It was groundbreaking to me, like wow, what Tuborg it was. It was quite a long time ago. It's like they were off ships or something. My dad got hold of them off someone off a ship or something. They come from Iceland or somewhere like that. You know, in our lifetime, like obviously, it was my first experience with European beer in a stubby. It was, I'm telling you, mate, I was like, whoa, what's happening here? It's total crossover from the kind of beer. This has got the opposite to it I was used to. Like ancient beer. It's not like a stout. It is, but it's like dark, rich, dark ale. The coffee tones make it really moreish, I suppose. you could be fooled into thinking you're drinking a nice chilled coffee in a Costa or something, you know, it's got like all them bells and whistles of a really nice espresso or something as well, like, oh, that's about, oh man, that's a quality, it's not my cup of tea personally, you know, the bitterness, oh, what's it reminding me of? It's got something there, like, bit of a chocolatey clear vibe there as well. Because it's got a hidden creaminess to it, but you know, like a cream sherry in a way, like you're like not like cream, but like oh, it's a weird thing, weird connection that way. Well, they've really made an effort on that, and it's not stale at all. It's not ruined or anything. It's perfect. It's in good condition. It hasn't been spoilt because these cans are cheap in the home bargain, guys. Grab them, I tell you. Ultimate celebration beer. Beautiful. I'm not really a stout head anymore, but you know, this is a cracker. Cracker! Where's the cracker? I Carson! You sit down. Where's the cracker? Oh, it's too rich, man. It's definitely a 10. Oh, the 6.7 just dances on your palate. Dances on your. Oh my word, that old beer taste. I've got to look into them Admiral hops and find out what the beers have got that in. Is it like, you know what stouts are like? They usually choose the same hops for those types of drinks. And I'm more on IPA searching, like, on that, don't want to be Belgians. And I've actually check my beer reviews, guys. You go homebrew in the search, you know, beer review. I always put the title beer review so you can find them, like. But put homebrew and review my own homebrew, and mate, it was dynamite beer. I'm not lying, I'm just bigging myself up, you know. It was dynamite beer. Well, I made it myself. Hence, I am a Trappist monk. I'm an official Trappist monk. I trapped the beer in the bottle like a time machine. I mean, I saved the last bottle for a friend, didn't I, who would drink with, you know what I mean? You know, what we call drinking buddies, you know what I mean? We get pissed every chance we get, we can, like, we can keep it level, like. But he witnessed the Trappist element, because, like, I've hung on to that bottle for ages, figured, the longer that's in a bottle, it's going to be, like, meth. Because it made, like, an extra strong beer, but it was, like, foamy, fizzy, Ribena, like, but it had a very strong alcohol, like, alcohol pop. But he's witnessed, sorry about the belch, he's witnessed me being a recognised Trappist monk. That's because it was bottle conditioned. Bottle conditioned. And my nephew is the only other witness to me Trappist monk beer. Trappist monk beer. Like Belgian strength. 10% or something. It was dynamite. Dynamite beer, like. But this is on the same level. It's bitter. And I had a sweet flavour in my beer. Somehow I used candy sugar. Oh, I'm getting a lovely warm fuzzy glow out of this beer, guys. It's just notes kicking in. Like, whoa, that's I don't know what's going on there. It's delightful. It's very delightful. It's kicking in like proper. You know what I mean? It's just it's not my first drink of the night. I've had 4 cans earlier, but there's something deliciously brilliant there coming on in that recipe there. What's going on, lads? Ah, it's almost like a special root calls it the original special. It's like a hard taste of beer until the chocolatiness. That's proper dark chocolatey flavour, like, you know, not the way these, it's like malts or whatever, roasted malts makes it appear to be chocolatey. This is dark chocolate liquid, and like it's dark chocolate liquid with alcohol in it, like hops. It's quite a fucking shocker. I'm sorry for swearing, but like, it's that's hit me. That it's definitely. Although I must have it on the website, I'll have to check out. But that's a bit steep. That, you know, £1, nearly under £1.50 in home bargain, guys. I'm gonna have to go and scour every home bargain on here to get every one of these. They've got a kick. It's definitely. Look at the way it's stuck. Look at this. Look at that pattern. You ever seen like that, anything like that in your life? The way that's stuck there, like, when you swing at it. Look, what else? Like just there. You know where it comes from, like the whole pattern there. Quite, that's an eye opener, I don't know if you understand it, like, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's premium beer, premium beer, that. Well done. Oh my word, it just smells fantastic, it's chocolatey and fantastic. Oh yeah, it's that kind of beer is available. Ten out of 10. If I drink the other one, it's going to knock me out. I don't know what to do. Oh my word. Toffee. Toffee. I'm a bit off my head, by the way. I've had some CBD, you know. It's a bit like medicine. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye, joking.